Despite the deep corona gloom, the first glimmer of light.
This time last week, the rate of increase on cases was up around 25 to 30% a day. That rate now, over the last few days, has fallen to about 13 to 15%.
The Prime Minister announced another $1 billion+ boost, this time for physical and mental health. $669 million will be spent on a new telehealth system. That means, where possible, doctors will consult via FaceTime or on the phone. No need to leave home or for doctors to use scarce protective equipment.
It will significantly reduce the demands on personal protective equipment, PPE. We know PPE is in very much short supply.
Prioritising your mental health is important.
There'll be a $74 million boost for mental health services, with extra money for helplines for those in distress.
It is a down payment on our nation's mental health. We know we will need more than $74 million, but it is a great start.
There'll also be $150 million to combat an expected surge in domestic violence, and $200 million for charities to help feed and shelter the poor. Another day, another billion, and there are plenty more to come. The mother of all packages is still being worked out, aimed at keeping businesses and workers supported and viable. A wage subsidy of some description is almost certain, and this plea from the Prime Minister to employers about to throw in the towel.
I would ask that before you make any further decisions, that you take the opportunity to see the further measures that the government will be announcing.
Get on with it, put these changes in place, because the longer there's uncertainty, the more the anxiety that's there.
The harder, faster message not embraced by the Prime Minister, who says comparisons with actions in other countries simply don't apply.
I mean, in China, they were welding people's doors shut. That might be okay with them.
For now, some doors in this country remain open, but for how long? Philip Williams, ABC News, Canberra.